Hello everyone, welcome you all again in my channel English with Vaishali ma'am. Today I want to discuss the most important concept regarding one word substitution that is mostly asked in your HP TAT examination, PGT as well as in a TGT examination. My first question is, one who believes that pleasure is the chief good in life. The right answer will be Epicurean. Epicurean people prefer luxury and comfort over simplicity. मैं सुख और भोग विलास को जीवन का लक्ष्य मानने वाले व्यक्ति एपिक्यूरियन. वन हु बिलीव्स दैट प्लेजर इज द चीफ गुड इन लाइफ. द राइट आंसर विल बी एपिक्यूरियन. When I'm talking about the next question, that a person who find faults with everything, the person is cynic. Means a person who find faults with everything, distrust others' motives somehow. Don't be such a cynic. Sometimes people do not do good without expecting anything. So don't be such a cynic. Means हर चीज में बुराई या कमी ढूंढने वाला व्यक्ति. A person is cynic. So right answer will be cynic. That is B option. The next one is a person who can't be corrected. A person who can't be corrected means incorrigible. Incorrigible means one who can't be corrected or reformed, जिसे कभी सुधारा ना जा सके. Her incorrigible habits made her parents lose patience. Now the next word is a person who is talkative. Means a person who is talkative means garrulous. Garrulous means बहुत अधिक बोलने वाला, excessive talkative somehow, especially about trivial matters. Means छोटी सी बात पे बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने वाला व्यक्ति. Now the example of that word is teacher dislike garrulous student during lecture. Teachers dislike garrulous students during lectures. Now next is a person who waste money extravagantly. Means one who you can say spend his money carelessly or wastefully. फिजूल खर्ची करने वाला व्यक्ति. Spendthrift. A spendthrift can't save for future somehow. You can say despite earning well, some people remain poor during their spendthrift nature. Now what about question number 6? A statement that seems self-contradictory but may be true. Self-contradictory statement, somehow virodhabhas. That answer is paradox. For example, this is also a figure of speech somehow. For example, less is more is a famous paradox somehow. Paradox means you can say virodhabhasi, a statement that seems contradictory but it is true. Now what about question number 7? One who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. One who remains calm in pleasure and or in pain. The person is stoic. She remains stoic even after hearing the sad news. Stoic is a person who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. You can say one who remains calm in both pleasure or pain. Now next word is a person who pretends to have more knowledge than he actually possesses. Means a person who pretends. झूठा ज्ञानी, धोखेबाज. Somehow a person who pretends, जो pretend करे लेकिन उसके पास कोई नॉलेज ना हो, नॉलेजेबल होने का pretension करे. The answer will be charlatan. Charlatan means many online gurus nowadays are nothing but charlatans. The so-called doctor turned out to be charlatan. Means a person who pretends to have more knowledge than he actually possesses. Now next word is a person who loves himself excessively. That person is narcissist. Narcissist is a person somehow that pretends to be, you can say one who loves himself excessively. अपने आप से प्यार करे जो. Somehow our narcissist attitude made, you can say, lose our friends actually. A narcissist constantly look for praise and attention. That person who needs praise, who always need attention of others actually. स्वयं से अधिक प्रेम करने वाले व्यक्ति को बोलेंगे narcissist. Now next is A speech made at a funeral. A speech made at funeral, that is eulogy. A speech or writing in praise of someone, especially after their death. For example, her eulogy brought tears to everyone's eyes. The minister gave a touching eulogy at the soldier's funeral. The next word is a person who eats too much. That is glutton. Glutton, one who eats excessively, somehow पेटू, बहुत अधिक खाने वाला व्यक्ति. Don't be glutton. Eat only as much as you need. For example, he is such a glutton that he finished a whole cake alone. The next word is a person who opposes war or violence. शांति प्रिय व्यक्ति, somehow या युद्ध विरोधी. That is pacifist. Pacifist is a person who do not love war or violence. For example, in India, Mahatma Gandhi was a great pacifist. Pacifists believe that violence never solve any problem. Those who support non-violence. The next is a speech full of criticism or abuse. A speech that is full of criticism or abuse, a bitter or abusive speech or writing. कटु आलोचना वाला भाषण. That is your answer will be diatribe. Diatribe somehow. For example, his article has a diatribe on the corruption in politics. A politician launched a diatribe against his opponents. A speech full of criticism or abuse or writing somehow to criticize others. A remedy of all diseases, that is quite common question and a very important question regarding your examination, because most of the time this question is asked. That is panacea. Panacea is a universal remedy for all diseases or problems. Education is not a panacea for all the social problem, but it helps somehow. Or one more example we can take. Some people think money is a panacea for every difficulty. Money is a panacea for every difficulty. Some people think about that. Now, next one is a person who is always dissatisfied. That habitually having a, you can say, habit of complaining. They are dissatisfied somehow. हमेशा शिकायत करने वाला व्यक्ति. That is your the right answer will be discontented. Discontented somehow. Next word is a word no longer in use. The word no longer in use. The answer will be obsolete. Old fashioned or no longer in use. Obsolete somehow. Means you can say obsolete is a thing that is old fashioned, and there's so many custom that seems to be obsolete somehow. When I'm talking about question number 17, a person who pretends to be morally better than others. That is hypocrite. Hypocrite is a person who pretends to be morally better than others. Dhongi व्यक्ति who talks about honesty but you can say cheats in business. What a hypocrite. Society hates hypocrite because who preaches virtue but practice vice. When I'm talking about the question 18, a person who cannot be defeated. That is, you can say, indefensible. Indefensible somehow. Question number 19, one who easily deceived. That person जिसको मतलब आसानी से धोखा दिया जा सके. सिंपल व्यक्ति जिसे जल्दी से बुद्धू बना सके, जिसको धोखा दे सके, इजीली डिसीव्ड हो, ट्रिक कर सके जिस पे, है ना. दैट आंसर विल बी गलीबल. Gullible is a person somehow. When I'm talking about the last question of today, a person who is bad in spelling. Bad in spelling, that is your cacographer. Means गलत वर्तनी या बोलूँगा, a person who is bad in handwriting or spelling somehow, that is cacographer. For example, his notes are unreadable because he is a real cacographer. Teacher often complained about students who are cacographers. I hope you will like this video. For more such video, just like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.